my gosh. I can't even believe this right now. This is crazy. Oh my gosh.
Just wait under here by Emily. There's a van coming to pick us up.
Oh, hallelujah.
There's a van coming to get us.
We're saved. We're saved. Okay, 40 Mud River. Hike up the skirt. Hike it up. Okay.
Carry me.
Okay. Maybe I'll cross for Colton. Yeah, that's a better idea.
Go down.
Just stop! Oh boy.
Cross on over. Come on over, guys. Where are y'all going? I'm going.
We're crossing the Mud River.
They're picking us up. I know. I am gonna go up.
Come on, Ashley, you can do it.
Do we just stuck in it or do we like jump? I'm gonna try to
Don't jump. You might slip or the mud road might fall away.
take me down the hole here.
No.
Ah! It seems so deep.
Ah, it's sinking.
I'm scared. No, just step. Don't be scared. Step.
Oh shoot. Oh.
Nicely done.
Oh yeah.
You can't walk by yourself.
Okay.